Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming you have a working backup of the configuration and admin credentials. This protects your network settings. Once done, connect the console cable to the Fortigate and open your terminal using 115,208N1. Make sure power access is stable and you know the model and firmware because reset behavior can vary. You will use the console for precise control. This avoids GUI lockouts and shows boot messages that are crucial for the next step. You next interrupt the boot process to access the bootloader when the prompt appears, because this lets you force a clean reset regardless of admin lockouts. Then run the appropriate command. On CLI, use execute factory reset, or in the bootloader, use format and reset commands. Confirm each prompt to erase disk and config. Make sure to watch console output for errors and for the system to rebuild basic partitions. Once commands finish, the device will reboot into factory defaults. You now log in using the default admin account and immediately set a strong password and management IP to secure access. This prevents accidental exposure. Once done, restore your saved config selectively and validate interfaces, routes, and licenses because a full restore can reintroduce issues. If the device fails to boot or services don't start, make sure bootloader recognizes the flash. Reflash firmware via TFTP or USB if necessary. And if problems persist, collect console logs and contact Fortinet support for hardware-level troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.